we're going to continue our review with this week. Remember, on Monday night, you'll do question number 1. On Tuesday night, you'll do question number 2. Wednesday night, you do question number 3. And Thursday night, you'll do question number 4. Then the video that you'll watch for that night will be recording the answers and how to solve for those questions from the night before.
All right, we're still on worksheet 3-3. We're looking at question number 2. What fraction of the shapes below have stripes? Okay, so we want to find a fraction. Remember, that's when we'll have our numerator and a denominator. The numerator is the number of what we're looking for. And what we're looking for in this case is the shapes that have stripes. So number of stripes, and the denominator is always the total number. So we need to go through and count the number of stripes first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stripes. And then we need our total number, so those 5 still count. 6, 7, 8. So our fraction is 5/8. 5 stripes out of 8 total pieces. Now B says, what fraction of the shapes do not have stripes? So we'll have a numerator and denominator. But now our numerator is going to be the number of shapes without stripe over the total number. So we're going to count the number without stripes first. 1, 2, 3 for our numerator. And then we get the total number. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3/8 do not have stripes. Okay. C asks us to name the shape that was used. So up here, the ones that we used, if you remember, it looks like a triangle that fell into a trap and zoid went his head. So we have a trapezoid. Okay, and D says, this shape has blank pairs of parallel sides. Okay, remember, parallel sides or parallel lines are lines that if you continued them on for forever, they would never, ever, ever touch. Okay, so if you continued on the lines, on the side, they would eventually intersect down here at the bottom because that would be where it formed the top of the triangle. Okay. But if you continue on the other pair of lines, okay, you would see that they would continue on forever and never touch. Okay, this would be one pair of parallel lines, parallel sides. Those sides would continue on forever and never touch. These right here would eventually intersect if you continued them on. Okay. So that's all for question number 2. You need to complete question number 3 tonight and turn it in tomorrow.